Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot with your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to do this, you'll need to click on your Shift, Windows key and S at the same time. That way you'll be able to crop the screenshot. You can use different methods to do this. I'm just gonna pick that one. So it captured my entire screen. I can click on it right here. Then click Ctrl and S to save your screenshot at a specific designation like this PC and the pictures. Now we can navigate there. And the screenshot is saved right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.